Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we are gonna review a slime shop. And I hope you like this. Comment down below if you want Stranger Things videos, and like this video and subscribe. Now let's get started. Oh, by the way, this is a known slime shop, and I'll tell you which ones if you get this to 1,000 likes. My next video, I'll tell you guys. Okay, so I hope you guys like this. It's really cute. And so my first slime is gonna be, so this one is called Boy or Girl, and here it is. It comes with a really adorable charm. It's called a chupon in Spanish. It's really cute. And it just comes with this mini one too. Just click it on or something on your back or something. And this is the slime. Ooh, I hope it turns kind of purpley. This one is really nice one. It's called He or She. Is it a girl or a boy or whatever? And well, this is now turning purple, so I'm sure it's gonna be a she. Just kind of shows a little bit because this doesn't look as blue anymore. And let's go on to the next one. This one is called Cotton Candy. I put it in my different containers just so it could look like it's mine. And this one looks like it would be called Rainbow Poop. Look how thick this is. It's just beautiful. The crunches are so nice. So now we are moving on to the next one. This one's Mocha Choco Latte Yaya. Funny name. Okay, so I just took it out of the Starbucks container. Whoa, did you hear that crunch? This one smells just like it. Oh my god, and it's so thick. Can't really hear the crunches as much. It's kind of buttery, so I love butter slimes and fluffy slimes. This is kind of fluffy too. Let's go on to the next one. And Rice Krispies. And want a surprise? I'm so kidding. These are actually my slimes that I made. So if you guys really like them, comment, and maybe you could just subscribe, give us a thumbs up, wait to 1,000, and post more videos. I love these. I love this because it looks just like Rice Krispies. It's so crunchy and so thick. I love thick slimes so much because they're just so nice. I don't think I could roll it to a bun because like it just. Okay, I'm gonna do. This is how it looks. That looks nothing like it. Okay, let's move on to next. And I made these slimes up and my ingredients. Remember this one? The thick one? I think you guys knew I didn't get it from the slime shop because it's like from my containers, and that's why I said I just put it to look like mine. Just and I really have professional ones. But I'm sure they sell them somewhere like Dollar Tree, Target, Walmart. Probably Dollar Tree. Or Amazon. Or at Home Depot. No, Home Depot. Hobby Lobby, probably. Yeah, probably Hobby Lobby. Because It just has a lot of cool things there. Okay guys, so I try to make this, I just try to make this 11's Eggo slime. It's Eggo slime, and it smells like actual pancakes, like not Eggos, but pancakes. If you guys want to know where the scents are, it should be Hobby Lobby or Staples. Or just Amazon. And the place where you should go is Michael's, because a lot of people tell me they're there. And I have some like cool foam beads in there just to make it look really nice. And yeah. Okay. Right here I have an awesome peppermint slime. It smells amazing. It smells just like it. So at Bath and Body Works, they have like this lotion spray. When you put it on, it's like all bubbly on you, and it's scented, so put in your slime, it won't get sticky. And if it does, then just put it, like, just activate it more. And I'd rather squirt it on while you're making the slime, not after the slime, or else it'd get really sticky. It smells amazing. So yeah, I wanted to find a charm like on Amazon of a peppermint, so I could just put it on there and it looked really cool. Can crunch it with one hand. Okay guys, that was it for today. I hope you liked this video. Give this a thumbs up, because I think this one was a really nice one. And these slimes are amazing for what I made. And if you guys want me to make a slime shop, then comment down below and I'll try really hard, because I love YouTube. I love you guys. I hope you like this. Whoever views this, just like this. And yeah, if you want more squishies, also comment. So bye guys, and subscribe.